Okay, here we go. Let's see if you guys can spot something. You guys see what I see? Alright, what's that?
What the fuck are you doing in there?
Hey, that's strange. Is this where you keep your kitty cats? In the refrigerator. As you can see, he likes playing in the fridge. As soon as I open the fridge, he rolls shut. Inside he goes. Yeah, say hi. Move in. Okay, Fluffy, come on.
Come on, get it.
Oh. Everybody, this is Fluffy, eh? Yeah. Oh, you want to eat the camera. Eat it. Look at him.
Oh no, he's seen it.
He's eating the camera. Oh, we got it. Stop eating that. Yeah. Hey, Fluffy kitty. Ooh, it tastes good. Let's see what this one's doing. Oh, chili. And Pop-Tart? Oh, gross. Chili? Pop-Tart. How do you like that? Are you Fluffy? Yeah? Okay, let's see what you're doing. What you're doing. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, he's easily occupied. Tell we've got his attention.
This video is sponsored by Pop-Tart.